Welcome, everybody, to PairADocs. I'm Dr. Jessica Griffin, and I'm a psychologist at the University of Massachusetts Medical School and Medical Center, and I am joined by my dear friend and colleague, Dr. Heather Forkey.
Hi, I'm Dr. Heather Forkey, and I am a pediatrician here at UMASS. And we're here to talk with you about all these things during the COVID time, which are leaving all of us left with, what do I do? So this is PairADocs, which is a pair of docs to talk to you about what to do when you don't know what to do.
And not only are we a pair of docs, but we're also a pair of moms. And Heather and I, between us, have 8 children. So we've been there. We've all made our parenting mistakes. And we're also have little tricks as moms, but also as a psychologist and pediatrician that we're going to share with parents in a number of different episodes or segments on our YouTube channel. So welcome, everyone. And one of the things that we will continue to emphasize, Dr. Heather and I talk about this all the time, the science tells us how critical relationships are in recovering from any sort of traumatic event or experience. And for many people, dealing with COVID-19 is a sort of collective trauma we're all going through, or adversity. And so we know, in looking at the science, that it's relationships that can be the most protective thing. And so we are here to support parents and whomever's in that caregiving role, maybe you're a grandparent or a foster parent, and give you practical tips and tools and strategies of things you can do to help your child and your family.
Yeah, Jess, one of the really important things that we're going to talk about is that it really is that combination of the brain and the body working together. When we deal with stresses, we have a number of stress responses that our body uses. You've heard about the freeze response or fight or flight response, but actually, as humans, we do best with the response called the affiliate response, which, as Jess is talking about, is the response to look to each other and say, hey, are there people here who can help me? Especially for kids, those people are the caregivers in their lives. And so your job as the caregiver for kids is to do a lot of work around reducing the stress for them of COVID. But we as grown-ups need people to help us with our stress too. So Dr. Jess, this is what we're going to do on our PairADocs.
So we'll see everyone on our next episode of PairADocs.